This is the product that came after I assembled it as well. This dowel is supposed to go in here, but it definitely doesn't fit. Not by far. Material doesn't feel great at all. And for some reason, it's crazy wonky, which is not as advertised. These bits definitely don't look like how they advertised either. Got a lot of slick finishing there. None of that here. Don't know why this one is so bent out of shape either.